Chandrika, you can do this. My name is Chandrika Bernard, and I'm a jewelry hoarder. Hello, guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'll be showing you how I blinged out my jewelry box. Woohoo! Yeah, your girl was putting in some work over these last few days. But as y'all know how the YouTube world works, I've done that 3 days ago, and I had to edit this video. So yes, I just uploaded another video, or maybe I'll do it after this. I'm not sure if it's ready yet. I don't know which one's going to go up first, but go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Click that notification bell, and now we're going to get straight to the video. Thank ya. I'm outside about to spray paint the jewelry box. I have my helper Josiah here. He's wiping it down for me. And this is the stand here. And this is what it looks like before and after. So it just extends out, which I think is so cool. And I found this at the thrift store for $25. I'm gonna have a good time with this. We need some bling. We need some bling. And I have my son out here. He's spray painting the spear. Okay, y'all. So y'all know I'm in love, right? I absolutely love how this came out. Oh my goodness. I didn't use the diamond knobs because they wouldn't fit. But anyway, I just spray painted the knobs that they already had, and it made such a big difference. And I am in love with it. Oh my goodness, y'all can't tell me nothing. You heard me? Oh, I forgot about the inside. I don't know what I'm gonna do about that. I might have to bling that out. But yes, this is it, guys. Put some glitter up top, glitter in the middle. I cannot wait to put my jewelry in now. Okay, so I went to Dollar General and I got this tacky glue, and I'm going to put some glitter all around the mirror. The same pink that's on the drawers. So I'm just in the garage doing this. So hopefully it comes out right, guys. I really hope it, it comes out okay. So I'm just going to take some glue. And try to go all along the mirror, and I'm freestyling this, so I probably should put tape on the mirror. But like I said, I think I'm a pro in my head. And I'm just going to go ahead and put the glitter on. Guys, I had to show y'all, the boys got a fan outside. And they about to have a picnic out here. And right now they're killing ants. He got the whole home system. They're the exterminators today. They know they're so creative. They be doing all kind of stuff to keep themselves busy. Okay, now save some for when we do have rodents and we need that spray. So yeah, that Isaiah right there, he is going to be something that deals with outdoors. Now he's climbing a tree. Okay guys, so I don't know how I thought I was going to put the glitter on like that, standing up, so I had to lay the whole thing down and I put it on the tablecloth. So yeah, now I can go ahead and use my glitter that way. So I'm gonna have to do section at a time because this will definitely, oh, I got hair in there. Please make sure you don't get no hair in there. That stuff is hard to get out once that glitter is on there. So I'm just taking glitter and putting it all on there. You're probably making a big mess. And then I'll get all the excess glitter off when I stand it up. Trying to record you guys and paint. A lot of glitter came in this little thing. I did about 5 projects with this same glitter, guys. So now I'm doing the inside, put the glue on there, and now I'm just putting glitter everywhere. So in November I was going to clean out my jewelry, and that didn't happen once I dropped it all on the floor. Picked them up, got mad, threw them in all of these places, and
you fly planes on the president. In our dreams, it's irrelevant. All can be what was never meant. Falling free, we're so heaven bent. Gaze in your eyes redefines my purpose. Brick by brick, cause these walls are worthless. Because I know you're worth it.
Okay guys, so this is what it is looking like. We're making progress. All of the hoop earrings are gone. All of that is trash. Some of these I may give to Goodwill. This whole thing over here it's kind of okay, so I might give that to Goodwill. And this over here is just what I'm keeping.
For me, but would you just fall for me? Close your eyes and just fall for eternity. For eternity.
All right guys, so this is the final results right here. As you can see on top, I have my beautiful birthday crown because it's going to be my birthday all the way until next March 17th, St. Patrick's Day, because I didn't get to celebrate like I wanted to. It's my 40th, so I got to turn up a little more. Okay, we're going to move that. And as you can see, there's some glitter. You see the detail on that? Yes, there's some glitter there. And when you open, you get to see what's inside. Woo! Oh, I got my flash on so you can't see. But anyway, yes, this is what I decided to do to the inside. As you can see, it has some bling, bling, bling right there. And on the inside is my bracelets there. Both of these are bracelets. I have rings, and some of the stud earrings are right there. And I have some watches. None of them work, so yeah. And then I have other rings here, and yeah. So I really love bling stuff, as you can tell. And also at the bottom of this, I know you're wondering like why it's all shiny, but this is just paper that I got from Dollar General. It just sold a pack of paper and some glitter paper, and I just cut into squares and rectangles to fit the jewelry box. So yeah, that is the top part of it. I really love, 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 love how it came out. And as you can see with the knobs, I just decided to reuse the same knobs that were on there, but I did get some diamond knobs, but they just don't fit. So even with the knobs, I don't know if you can see, but I added like these diamonds from Dollar General just on top so they peel off. Their stickers, but I did spray paint these knobs. So yeah, the first drawer is just some of my stud earrings. And this is how it looks. And yes, I decided to cut out more squares. And some of the paint I couldn't get off, but I figured it's all good, you know. So back there is just some of the earrings that I rarely wear, but they're in there. And as you can see, I got lots of saints representation up in here. And some of these are just some other little studs that I have. I don't wear studs a lot. My thing is hoops. I ran out of paper, so you can see the back and all the glitter where I kind of messed up. So I'm going to take this drawer out, okay, and try to dump some more of that glitter out or try to get it out with the tape. Yes, so I don't know why this is in here. That don't belong in there, but yeah, this don't belong in here either. But that's cool. So these are some of my bigger hoops. I don't really wear them, to be honest. I'm on a fence. I'm definitely gonna keep the African ones, but I think I'm gonna give these two away. I was like, I'll know by the time I do this video. Yeah, see, this looks so bad in my video, but yes, guys. And now I chose the green paper in this one because I ran out of the fuchsia paper and the silver. So yeah. This drawer has my hoops, and as you know, I said I wear a lot of hoops. Yes, it is so true. And I decided to condense my hoops from like your 17 pair of hoops to only maybe 8. So I think that was good progress. And there's some of my smaller hoops, and of course I'm wearing hoops right now. So these are some of my bracelets. So I don't wear bracelets as much because I didn't know I had a lot of bracelets until I did this video. And those are some of my bigger ones. Those when I really want to be fancy. And then, oh, not this one, but these right here, you know, they're good too. Some of these are like the ones I have on are pretty much everyday ones. But yeah, my wrist is so small, so when I see bracelets I can fit, I just go ahead and get them. So that is basically it for the jewelry box tour, guys. When I tell you I am in love. Oh, why did I say this is it? That is not it, guys. I forgot I had 2 other sections over here. Hold on, let me push this out now. I'm sleeping on myself. Why did I say that was it? And I know they have these compartments. So on this side of the jewelry box, I just have some of my gold jewelry and silver. One of my fave is this one right here. It says blessed, and I picked up these at Route 21. So yeah, I don't do like a lot of or I don't think I own much at all, like real jewelry. You know what I'm saying? So I don't wear jewelry a lot for, yeah, I'm just not like an expensive jewelry type girl. Just give me the costume jewelry. So yeah, and this is my more fancier jewelry. So that's basically that. I'm gonna go ahead and paint this because it looks horrible to me. I was like, you know what? No one's gonna see it. And I was asking my husband, he was like, well, it's up to you. Nobody's really gonna see it. But every time I open this bothers me. Yeah, so I'm gonna paint that, but I'm just not gonna do it today. I've spent so much time on this thing that your girl is a little tired. But yeah, these are just some of my beautiful statement necklaces that I have. And now I'll take you in the closet where the rest of my jewelry is that couldn't fit in here. Okay, guys, so now we're in the closet, and these are some of my other statement necklaces. That yellow one is just something I picked up from New Orleans, and some of these are my other ones that could not fit in the other jewelry box. So I have some longer necklaces, statement necklaces, and some chokers. And some of my other bracelets like that. Yeah, I'm trying to record and do this, so I don't even know. But this is the longer necklaces. The chokers are all back there. I'm still not a fan of how I have this in here, so I'm not sure how I'm going to like rearrange that. But then if you come over here, this looks so much better. And that's, yes, my birthday pin right there. My birthday girl. And why are the sunshades up here? I must have been rushing. Yeah, you have your own spot downstairs. But anyway, these are some of the earrings that I have that I organized, or some was already organized. And I'm just going to keep them on this child security gate for now because it just works, okay? It just works. And these are just like some at the bottom that, I mean, just extra when I really want to, be extra. And if you're wondering what this picture is, Elijah drew that when he was in like second, third grade, I don't know. And he was going to throw it away, so I just stuck it there, and it's been there for like 3 years, just sitting there. But yeah. So these are some of my other favorite earrings, and this is where the rest of the jewelry is, but I don't know. I still feel like it's a lot, but I am like such a fashionista that I need variety, and this is variety for me. And when my birthday comes around and Christmas, people gets me, they give me jewelry or I make my own. So that's just, it is what it is. I just like jewelry, but I have given away a lot, 3 bags actually, and then I threw 3 containers of jewelry away. So I'm very excited about that. So this is what's left, which is, to me, in my eyes, is not a whole lot. But then again, it is. But I know how much I had, as you saw in a previous clip, and it was just crazy. So yeah, I am proud of myself for everything that I've done in here, and it's only going to get better. And maybe I'll show y'all the closet next time, but not right now. It's kind of a mess.